Hello AmazeTech viewers. In this video, let's unbox Gamemt E5 Ultra Android gaming console. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress Influencer Program. Please check the video description for this product's AliExpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. Let's unbox and have a look inside. Overall, build quality of this console is above average for its price segment. By default, this comes with Chinese as the default language. Let's see how we can set English as the device language. Let's see about technical specifications of this console. In the upcoming video, we will do a detailed review with gameplay and other features. Let's see few more details about this console.